everybody, today we are talking about the mini Netrino from Aurora EDC. Aurora is a little bit newer to the 3D printed game, I believe. Comes with some stickers, which is always cool. Since 2024, so yeah, just in business since last year, now it is. The Facebook group is Aurora EDC. There's also an Etsy page, which is currently, as of January 5th, 2025, empty. I believe they're moving, so... Whoop. Yeah, very cool. So, 3D printed sliders. How does it stack up? Very well, is what I will say. This thing really is a perfect size. The design on the front is not only a design, but also kind of functional because it is raised, as you can see. So it adds a little, kind of pocket there for your thumb to push. I figured we'll put it up against some of the 3D printed Hall of Fame pieces here. See how it stacks up. There's one. That's what we got here, at least for this. So, size-wise, if you've got the awesome M01 from Aurora EDC, you can see there, pretty small. In terms of the size of the original Fidget Boy, it's almost exact. In fact, I think it might be in terms of height, but then just a lot skinnier versus that Fidget Boy. Wee Pong, almost close to the Wee Pong size. Again, a little skinnier. And then the Peanut from Rage 3D, you can see it's about the same width. Come on, baby. And then just a little shorter. So it is mini, which I like. I know some people are not into that, but there are a lot of people out there in the fidget community with different sized hands, if you can believe it. Pretty cool touch, though. You can see on the plate, if you can see that, you've got Aurora with this almost like Aztecian pattern that reminds me of, I don't know, pattern off of one of my grandma's old Columbia jackets or something like that. This one's just in black and white, different colorways. I've seen purples and oranges and greens and stuff. They're kind of hard to get a hold of. I had trouble nailing one down for this review, but I'm glad that I did, and I am sourcing the square slider version. It's not the square slider of the mini Netrino, but it's just Aurora EDC's version of a square slider, so I'm excited for that. But this thing moves like a dream, sounds great, size is great, the feel is great. It's nice and smooth. 3D printing quality is awesome. Very nice. So I would say if you get a chance, when they start restocking, I would make your way over there to the Facebook group, join that so you know when they're dropping new stuff, and get ready to jump on this one. Because I definitely think, in terms of moves as well, Now, see, the magnets in that are a little stronger, so then I pick up the Weepong and then they're a little lighter. And I'm dropping it. But it's got all the functionality of my favorite 3D printed sliders. So I would say definitely holds a place. Bam. These are all great pieces. So that is staying in the collection, and that I will be eager to see what else Aurora releases. All right. Mini Netrino from Aurora EDC.